Welcome back. The big fight gearing up between the incoming Trump White House and if he gets the nomination as head of HHS, RFK Jr. Let's bring in internist and cardiologist Dr. Peter McCullough. Doctor, it's great to have you on again. What do you make of this? So Pfizer, Eli Lilly, big pharma execs go to Mar-A-Lago, try to lobby Trump to ease up on them and the Make America Healthy Again push. But Trump brought RFK Jr. to the meeting. What do you think of all this?
I think it's a good thing, Liz. We need this executive leadership between big pharma and the executive branch, Trump and RFK meeting with them. So much to tackle. Topics could have included the cost of prescription drugs, biopharmaceutical safety, the role of the GPO as the middleman, and direct-to-consumer advertising. I hope Trump and RFK do this with the large nutraceutical health and wellness company in order to devise strategies so America can have less of a reliance on drugs.
So it's going to take a lot of work because the drug industry has been accused of exerting a lot of influence over the FDA, CDC, NIH. You know, there's concerns about the safety of vaccines, the food supply, literally making Americans sick. You know, let's listen to Senator Bernie Sanders. He agrees with Trump and RFK Jr. Watch.
Congress and the FDA have allowed large corporations to make huge profits by enticing children and adults to consume ultra-processed food and beverages loaded up with sugar, salt, and saturated fat. Much of the food that we as Americans are now consuming are making us unhealthy and are contributing to the fact that our life expectancy is significantly lower than that of many other wealthy countries.
You know, so many scientists agree with Senator Bernie Sanders here. They've got an ally to fix this. Is this powerful stuff? What do you think?
Anytime you see the left and the right coming together on a topic where there's consensus, in this case, these unnecessary dyes that are in food and drugs, they're linked to problems with neurologic development in children. Sanders and RFK are on the right track. These aren't necessary. At Wellness Company, none of our products have these unnecessary dyes. Many Americans want them out of the food supply.
Dr. McCullough, talk to us about the neurological problems in children and people from, the food supply from processed foods.
Well, we've had an asymptotic rise in attention deficit disorder, autism spectrum disorder, a whole range of neuropsychiatric problems. Something is going on over the last several decades that's influenced the neurologic development of our children. In my view, we should have an all-hands-on-deck approach, and part of this is a careful examination of the safety of both the water and the food supply. Why
the water supply?
Both fluoride, excessive amounts of fluoride, and aluminum have been linked to neurological development problems.
Dr. McCullough, we're going to stay on the story. That was really interesting what you just gave in your insights there. We appreciate you so much. Merry Christmas to you. It's good to see you.